Roblox's face tracking feature, officially called dynamic head or facial animation, is a revolutionary technology that maps your real facial expressions onto your Roblox avatar in real time using your device's camera. As you can see in this demonstration, the technology captures your facial movements and translates them to your avatar, creating a more immersive and expressive gaming experience. However, this advanced feature requires specific system requirements to function properly. Let's explore what your device needs to support face tracking. Face tracking is supported on Windows 10 and 11, Mac OS, iOS devices starting with iPhone X, and select Android devices. The key hardware requirement is a front-facing camera with depth sensing capabilities or a high-quality RGB camera. Even with compatible hardware, many users encounter issues getting face tracking to work. The most common problems involve camera permissions and hardware detection. The most frequent issue is the face tracking option appearing grayed out or not visible at all. This typically indicates a camera permission problem that needs to be resolved in your device settings. Let's walk through how to fix camera permissions on different operating systems, starting with Windows. On Windows, navigate to Privacy Settings, then Camera, and ensure that apps are allowed to access your camera. You can see here that both device camera access and app camera access need to be enabled. The process is similar on Mac OS, but the settings are located in a different area. On Mac OS, go to System Preferences, then Security and Privacy, select the Camera tab, and make sure Roblox is checked to allow camera access. Mobile devices have their own permission systems that need to be configured properly. On mobile devices, access your app settings, find the Permissions section, and ensure camera access is granted to Roblox. This Android example shows the Permission Manager where you can control camera access. If permissions are correct but face tracking still isn't working, the issue might be hardware related, such as outdated camera drivers. When face tracking is available but not detecting your face properly, try these hardware troubleshooting steps. First, verify your camera meets the minimum requirements. Update your camera drivers through Device Manager on Windows, as shown in this Driver Properties window. Test your camera in other applications to ensure it's working correctly, and make sure you have adequate lighting for proper face detection. By following these troubleshooting steps, checking permissions, verifying hardware compatibility, and ensuring proper lighting conditions, most face tracking issues can be resolved successfully. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your Roblox face tracking issues, it's time to try more advanced techniques. These system-level fixes can resolve persistent problems that standard solutions cannot address. These advanced techniques address the most common causes of face tracking failures. Updating your Roblox client ensures you have the latest compatibility improvements, while clearing the cache removes corrupted temporary files that can interfere with camera access. For Windows users experiencing persistent issues, system-level fixes may be necessary. Camera privacy settings can become corrupted and require manual reset through the Registry Editor or Windows Camera app updates. The Windows Camera privacy settings shown here control which applications can access your camera. If these settings become corrupted, face tracking may fail even when permissions appear correct. Network and performance issues can cause face tracking lag or delayed responses. Optimizing your system performance is crucial for smooth real-time facial animation. These optimization steps can significantly improve face tracking performance. The setup success rate has improved from 60% to 85% over the past year, largely due to better performance optimization guidance. The future of Roblox face tracking is expanding rapidly. Roblox is actively working to integrate face tracking with virtual and augmented reality platforms, creating more immersive social gaming experiences. Virtual reality integration, as shown in this immersive environment, represents the next frontier for face tracking technology. Educational institutions report 40% higher student engagement when facial expressions are visible during virtual lessons. Current statistics show remarkable progress in face tracking reliability. 70% of active Roblox devices now support face tracking, with 78% of users reporting positive experiences when the feature works properly. Professional applications are driving demand for more reliable implementations. Companies using Roblox for employee training report 35% better communication effectiveness when face tracking is enabled, leading to improved training outcomes. To benefit from ongoing improvements, keep your Roblox client and device drivers updated regularly. While privacy concerns and hardware limitations remain challenges, the trajectory shows continued improvement in reliability and expanded device support for the future.